I came out here this morning. There's my microwave, there's my toaster oven, my tripod, my deal for the out there's for my ice chest to set. I got food stuff up in there. Up in here is my boots and shoes. Behind this deal here's a spare tire. Down there's a storage deal. It's 68 degrees. I'll give you a wide deal. My TV all back in there. The air conditioner's running. Now let me put you on the tripod if I can get it without messing it up. Okay. Yeah, that might be better. I could have done it this way, couldn't I? And down there, yeah, I could have done it this way on the tripod. Up there's the air conditioner fan. Radio. Well, I'm fine. Shut the door. I'm finally getting this close into getting done. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to turn you back around here. You hear the air conditioner running. It was pretty good, about 68 degrees here. I didn't stay out here, but I left the air conditioner running because I'm going to work in here, and I don't want it to be hot. Oh, trying to wake up this morning. It won't take me long to get it done. I'm trying to straighten it around. Let me move back a bit. Sleepy to sleepy. Yep. I got plenty of room in here. Let's see what the solar is this morning. The solar is 12.5. Of course, I'm running off shore power this morning. Turning my fan around. The light. It's pretty cool in here. The air conditioner's pretty quiet if this fan's off. Oh, turn around a little bit. I was scooting up on the bed. Let me see if I can shut these doors. That's all shut up. It's a little dark in here, but the sun ain't came through that other window yet. I'm gonna take me a nap. There's all my cabinets up in here. I got my light right there. My bed. Let me move out of the way so you can see my bed. And that's it. It's not, it ain't all that cramped in here, really. It's a 3/4 bed. Underneath it now, I've got my fuels up here in front, the little canisters. Behind that is my dishes, and then behind that's all my food. And then my fishing gear is in the slide deal. I get everything I need. I know I can put my 12-foot kayak in here. From the front to the back, I can slide my 12-foot kayak right on top of my bed. I put a canvas cover on the bed, and then I slide my kayak in, lock it all up. Of course, when I get where I'm at, I gotta take the kayak out and put it on top. But going down the road, I just slide it in here. Works pretty good. And I think you can see the front in my book of all the lakes of Oklahoma, but in the front you can see I got the door shut. Back around. It works out pretty good for one person. I mean, I don't know where you could do 2 people in here, but I got plenty of room for one person. Oh, and my 4 puppy dogs. They got the floor space here, the floor space over here, and some of them right up front. Of course, I leave the fan or the air conditioner running. If it's real hot, the front ain't got really air conditioner. I can open the pass through and get air through up there, but I usually put them back here, and I have the generator running and have the air conditioner running, and it's about 75 degrees back here, which is cool enough for them. And they got food and water when they travel. But early mornings, on the time I ever travel, hot of the heat of the day, I usually pull over. Pull over, turn the air conditioner on, we take a nap. We get out early. I'm going to let you guys go. I got to change these right here. There it is. I got to change these to LEDs. I don't even use them though. You know, I don't even. But when you light them up there, it's bright back here. So I guess you could do surgery or something like they used to. Now, I better let you go. I'd like to know what kind of projects you guys has got going. You guys take care. Have a great one. I plan on finishing the outside, and I'll show you a video on that. But it's pretty well finished on the inside here. I got everything I need in here. Except my dogs and the dog food and water bowl.